Hi everyone, Al here. It is the middle of August and as you can see behind me, I'm delivering a load of 41 big square perennial ryegrass bales. So they weigh about 1,000 pounds a piece. They're 3 feet by 4 feet by 8 feet long, and we baled these up with our 2270 XD Massey Ferguson baler. I'm hauling them with our 53-foot aluminum step deck with air ride suspension, and I'm running my dad's Mack Vision here. It's a 2002. I think it has a Mercedes engine with 460 horsepower, 13 speed. I think the tractor unloading me is a John Deere 7630 loader tractor, and then we built this load with our 444H John Deere payloader with a grapple. He is sorting the tops separately from the rest of them. They got a little bit of rain on them, so a little bit of a difference in quality. Knocking down some fall rye today. That'll be ready to harvest on the weekend, and then other than that, yeah, we'll hopefully be desiccating some wheat and canola in the very near future. We got about an inch of rain in the last couple days, so we're very fortunate. Thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe to this channel, leave me a comment below, and like this video.